Good morning, good afternoon. My name is Karabo, and today I'll be talking about my application, our SkillSwap application, whereby users can actually get tasks and do those tasks and get paid instantly. So with this application, how it came about, I was actually sitting with my colleague who was actually busy with an application for school. So in this application, they were doing a payment system for DJs whereby they can actually manage the gigs they have, the payments they're actually getting. So actually clocked it and picked it. I was like, okay, since she's creating an application like this, why don't I actually come up with PayOrbit, whereby users can actually apply and get certain tasks and do them and get paid instantly through XLM and Stellar blockchain. So it's like this. Imagine needing a graphic designer to help you at 2 a.m. and being able to instantly connect with the designer in another time zone. Secure payment in a second, and you have your project delivered before morning. That's the power of our SkillSwap with Stellar blockchain payments. What are the benefits of our system? The payment processing actually cost actually reduced by 99% compared to the traditional systems whereby they actually charge you 20 to 30%. And also this application, it's fast payment. In a split of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds, you get paid, compared to the other traditional systems whereby it takes up to 3 to 5 working days. Sharp. The app is actually built in trust through blockchain. Trustless skill exchange, smart contracts, which actually holds the payment until skill delivery is being confirmed. As you can see down below, there's our med tutoring for grade 10, and you just have to quick apply for the skill and then go to my task. And you can also view the application, view your details for the application and see the location. As you go for your assigned task, there's a place whereby it you can mark as complete, and then you have my task whereby you can actually create your own task and post and offer like a certain amount in XLM. So for transparent and transactional history on blockchain, our wallet integration is our Frita wallet. Smart contracts for Soros is secure and security infrastructure. So for deployment, we actually went for GitHub because it has a proper version control. Also, a feature that we actually want to implement in this application is authentication, which is a GWT plus Stellar. Already it is there, but then it's not fully functional. We all have like competitive advantage. We offer instant global settlements. So no one can actually match our micro-transactional capabilities for small scale exchange. That's all I can say right now. So another thing is that I want to mention is that instant validating of skills through peer interactions. So before I get to that, for our technology stack, we actually look for React.js for dynamic user interfaces, HTML, CSS, Java for core web technologies, and then we have our Fetch API, which is your HTTP request, and then for backend we used Node.js for server runtime and framework, especially for Express.js. For our database and storing, we went for MongoDB, which is your primary data and mongoose. And then there's a real-time feature we actually want to implement, which is your web RTC for potential video call function and all those stuff. So this actually connects users with a complementary skill in real time and reduces the traditional networking delays for weeks to minutes, which enables the instant gap filling from projects and tasks. Given the collaboration, we want to push notifications for immediate opportunities. Moving on to a dynamic community building, which is active skill exchange, which actually creates organic learning for opportunities and community too. For practical problem solving, This has like an immediate access to diverse expertise for agent challenges. As you can see down below on the screen, there's a release payment feature whereby a user can actually release the payment to the person who has actually done the task, and then you'll get a notification. Moving on from the notification, you securely get paid. So we also have a feature whereby you can actually fund your account using FriendBot. As you can see, there's my wallet in total, which is in dollars, but then also there's a conversion part whereby it's in XLM. So we have your send, we have your receive, we have your swap, we have the get XLM. But then the feature receive, it's not working. But as you can see down below, there's a feature that says get fund. You can get fund. You can actually get like 10,000 XLMs, and you'll see down below as it updates, your balance is now 1,112 in USD. But then there's a conversion. Yeah. Moving on, it's built in Lumens, fast, low cost, secure, decentralized freighter, and direct integration with Stellar. Yes, we deployed it, GitHub, Vessel, and also it's an automated payment escrow for skill exchanges. So another thing is that there's a demo, and there's also your live whereby you can actually connect to your Stellar or your freighter account. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see, because the application I'm using for recording doesn't actually show a lot, and most of your features whereby it shows your recent activities, your transactions, your assets, and your send feature whereby you can actually send money. So, and the overview. So I believe this is the application that people might actually need. I'm just here to make your life easy, whereby other traditional platforms actually offer 20 to 30% in fees and create payment barriers across borders. But then PayOrbit actually fixes that. Stellar blockchain and instant global settlements at 1% fees, while competition actually offer delayed payments and high fees. You actually offer your instant global settlements in 3 to 5 seconds, guys. Imagine 1% versus 20 to 30%. That's another thing. We offer borderless payments and XLM cryptocurrency. Features we want to implement: your multi-language support, enhanced wallet features for advanced free integration for complex skill exchanges, mobile extension, you're taking PayOrbit mobile to skills on the go. So PayOrbit isn't just another app, it's an economic revolution. We are creating a world where skills have intermediate global value, where payments happen at the speed of your light, where geographical boundaries no longer limit opportunity. So your skills are your cryptocurrency. Spend them wisely. Visit PayOrbit today and launch your skills into the orbit. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.